This video will introduce the user interface and basic functions of 3DeVOK Studio. We will give an introduction based on the software version for 2.3.3. The user interface is divided into several parts. The menu bar is located at the top. The left sidebar contains several scan modes and the settings. The right sidebar displays the scan distance indicator bar. At the lower side there are toolbar and status bar. The top menu bar contains all the buttons during scanning. The file option includes the buttons of New, Save File, Save Project, Open File and Open Project, with corresponding icons displayed below each item. The Scan button includes Calibration, Scan, Finish, Wrap, and Texture. These are critical buttons to the scanning workflow, with matching icons shown beneath each option as well. This is exactly the same with point cloud processing, mesh optimization, and texture. The Jump to button provides links to start best texture and certain third-party software. The settings in the configuration option can adjust preferences, which includes turning on or off the preview, distance beep, and other settings. Besides, changing software display color and languages are also supported. The current software version supports 9 languages. The Help section contains software and firmware version, as well as license status. The hotkey contains keyboard shortcuts for various software operations. Here also provides the direct link to the official website. Local links to 3DeVOK quick guide and user manual are provided for easy reference as well. This is the Retract Frame button. When data misalignment occurs during scanning, undo the corresponding erroneous data is available. Just simply drag the progress bar and click Apply. This is the feature stitching and marker stitching function. After multiple sections of model scanning is finished, registration can be achieved through surface geometric features or markers. For detailed operating procedures, refer to the tutorial published on the website. How to check device status after connecting your product. Click Help. Diagnosis to check configuration, firmware, and connection. Computer includes CPU, GPU, drive, RAM, etc. If the configuration meets the requirement, there will be a green tick at the right. Software and device information is displayed below, which includes device type, serial number, firmware version, and license. If the firmware needs to be upgraded, click the right icon of blue arrow to import the file. The following section will come to the left sidebar. The left sidebar is divided into 2 parts: the scan mode and the data processing. Basic mode includes infrared scan and laser scan divided by light sources. In laser scan, further distinctions are made based on the laser source and the alignment method. The 2 laser sources and 2 alignment methods can be freely combined. Since the MQ only has infrared laser and laser mode, you only need to select the alignment method when connecting MQ. Custom mode includes human mode and lightless scan. Human mode uses the structured light and geometry alignment with color texture, while lightless scan remove the color texture, which is more suitable for scanning senior groups and children or objects that don't require color. Click Settings to adjust scanning parameters. Resolution, exposure, frame rate, scan distance, and other settings can be changed. For details, refer to other tutorial videos on the website. Additionally, other custom modes and alignment methods can be flexibly configured as needed. One of the 3 light sources can be freely selected. Texture, geometry, and markers can be freely combined as well. The auxiliary fiducial markers scanning mode is also available as an option. Enable or disable texture mapping is also supported. The data processing below comprehensively shows the entire workflow, from scanning, point cloud, mesh to texture. Modules can be switched for checking data. The workflow supports returning to the Scan Project interface at any point, regardless of the current data phase. The camera's field of view is displayed in the top right corner. Enabled, this button can adjust laser line brightness and camera exposure. The bar on the right shows the scanning distance, with the green dot indicating real-time distance during scanning, to ensure optimal texture quality and data details. The optimal scan distance should be maintained between 300mm to 400mm. The bottom toolbar contains various operation tools, including zoom in for full screen display, best view for rotating the model to the optimal on-screen position, select all, clear all, reverse selection, and other buttons are available for data processing. For detailed description, refer to the user manual. The bottom left corner of the status bar displays the device connection status. The second icon is the pairing button of wireless handle. The third and the fourth icon respectively represent the memory usage and disk space usage. The bottom right section displays scanning status and system information, including real-time frame rate, point cloud volume, device serial number, and software version. How to check for 3DeVOK Studio software updates. Visit our 3DeVOK official website. Find support and click Download Center. Then click on 3DeVOK scanning software to download the latest version.